Hi guys, Gorge Camorra here at the 18th Amendment Bar in Geelong. Today I'm going to make one of our most popular cocktails on the menu. We call it the Shimmy Shimmy. It's also known as the Pomegranate Sour. Okay guys, so if you're looking at making a cocktail for either a cocktail menu or for your friends, the Pomegranate Sour is definitely one of those that is going to be super popular. It reads really, really well. Tequila, pomegranate, coconut, and citrus. And it's really easy to make, like all the cocktails that I make. So the first ingredient that I'm going to use is 40 mils of a Blanco Tequila. I'm going to use Rooster Rojo. I've been drinking a fair bit of this stuff lately. It is amazing. Next up, I want 20 mils of Pama pomegranate. $10 mils of modern coconut syrup. $20 mils of fresh lemon juice. And last but not least, instead of using egg white, I'm just going to use some Aqua Faba, which is just the juice from either chickpeas or butter beans. Some ice. I'm going to give it a shake. Really give it a good shake. We're trying to get that Aqua Faba to really froth up. Okay. Always chill down my glass first. And then I'm going to double strain into a coupette. And for my garnish, I'm going to use a edible viola flower. Okay, so it looks really pretty. How does it taste? I can see why it sells so much. The tequila, a little bit at the back, but it's not really overpowering. So for a lot of you guys that are scared of drinking tequila, which is pretty common in Australia, not like our American friends, it's a very easy to drink tequila cocktail. That coconut comes through at the back. The citrus balances it out perfectly. The foam from the Aqua Faba gives a really nice mouthfeel and creates a bit of length in your mouth. Don't be scared to use the Aqua Faba. It freaks people out a little bit. The only negative thing is it's too bloody easy to drink. You could have 3 or 4 of these and feel like you're not drinking any alcohol at all, and you'll be on your ass before you know it. It's really, really good. You got to try this. So there you go, guys. We call it the Shimmy Shimmy. It's also known as the Pomegranate Sour. Please like, subscribe, and check out one of these other videos. And we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.